835 new coronavirus cases, 18 more deaths reported as well. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. Jamaica continues to register a high number of COVID cases after 835 new cases were recorded in the last 24-hour period up to Friday afternoon, according to the Health Ministry and Wellness team. 17 of the 18 COVID-19 deaths reported on Friday were recorded on August 23rd to August 26th, while the other death was previously recorded was under investigation on August 16. The deaths bring the overall total to 1,483. A 51-year-old female from St. James and an 88-year-old male from St. Elizabeth are among the latest fatalities. The separate deaths of 5 COVID-19 patients are currently under investigation by the health official. There are also 60 recoveries on the day, bringing the total number to 48,028. The newly confirmed COVID-19 cases brought the total number on a record for the island to 65,734. Of the newly confirmed cases, 493 are females and 342 are males, with age ranging from 1 to 97 years old. Cases recorded in Kingston and St. Andrew, 178, St. Catherine, 170, St. James, 92, Manchester, 90, Clarendon, 64, St. Anne's, 52, St. Elizabeth, 48, Westmoreland, 42, Trelawney, 36, Hanover, 31, Portland, 21, St. Mary's, 7, and St. Thomas, 4. There are 189 moderately ill patients, 92 severely ill patients, 61 critically ill patients among the 15,811 active cases now under observation in Jamaica. A total of 739 persons are now in hospital with COVID-19 on the island. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.